What up, what up, what up? It's your boy D-House back in the building. Here for another video. Intuit Domb. I'm right here at Century and Prairie. That's Century and Prairie right there. Movie theater across the street. Got the hotel, the new hotel over there. Intuit Domb right there. Pedestrian walkway from Intuit Domb going over to the parking structure. There's the parking structure right here. The liquor store and Starbucks is still here. That's the parking structure they're keeping on the corner. My buddy said they're gonna get rid of the Starbucks eventually in the liquor store. You know. Want to come over and make another video, show everybody where it's at. That's SoFi Hollywood Park, the movie theater. Said Starbucks is right there. It's 15 feet high. So it's 15 feet clearance for trucks that go under there. So it'd be kind of hard for some semi maybe to go under there. See, they got all the glass up. Once again, the pedestrian bridge is up. I was here yesterday, doing some work. Today is Sunday. What a fun day. They were doing some work to the bridge yesterday. Still got a lot of work to do on the exterior. Not sure how far they got along on the inside. Some of the inside right there. Some of the inside, like glass on the inside too. Doing a really great job at building it. Once again, this is the pedestrian bridge. All the way over to the parking structure. They've already got it connected pretty much. Doing a lot of work to it. Making it sturdy for people to walk across. This is how it looks from this angle, the parking structure. Just the back of the liquor store. So as you see, they got a lot done. Doing a lot. I'm not gonna walk too far. I just wanted to come make a quick video, quick couple of minute video. Show y'all a little bit more of the progress. Looking real good. Once again, this is the Intuit Domb parking structure. This street is part of 102nd. As you see, they closed some of it off. It's looking good. Got ambulance and airplanes flying over. Everything is cool. I will go across the street, put my camera up against the gate so you can see the construction site, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen construction sites already. Great Intuit Domb, looking good. Looking real good. For the Clippers, coming soon, 2024 season, 2024-25 season. Supposed to be open next year. So we'll see how it go. Thanks for watching.